Hello, Victor here, RestoreYourMercedes.com. This video is for Sree, and we have this door lock pump from a 99, I believe it is, 99 S-Class. It's on the bench right now, ready to be tested. Just want to show you the operation of the pump. Now, the motor was not put up together, it wasn't put back together properly, so I had to do the motor, and I also changed the wiring because wires usually get quite warm in there. So these can, they don't melt if everything is okay, but I just still like to put in the wires that are Teflon, because as you can see, this wire melted because at some point the original pump burnt up, the motor burnt up, so it was overheating a lot. It's for the good measure I do that. Now the test now. First I'm going to release the pressure. It's going to come out this port. Let me just show you this. I'm making it with one hand. That's my makeshift pressure storage tank. That's for lumbars. This is vacuum. So I'm testing it at about 12 volts just to see, just to give it less voltage, so we want to make sure everything is nice and healthy. Once voltage is higher, obviously motor spins faster, so there's more pressure, there's more vacuum. So put the power on. So it went through the cycle to create pressure in the pressure storage tank. Same for the vacuum. See? Created vacuum now. The vacuum also there is also a storage tank for vacuum. When the engine is running, it overpowers it. The pump is being overpowered by engine vacuum because it's obviously much stronger. It's teed off of this line. So anyway, let's do the door locks. It's kind of, it's like I got all my plugs here, so it's very difficult to get to, but this was to lock the vehicle. As you can see, pressure went over 0.5. This one went to like 1, which is very high, so this is good. That's to unlock. I do test it on the trunk port because that's sort of like an independent port, so it gives you the best possible reading for the pressure, the highest. If that one is not high enough, the other ones will definitely be weak, not gonna work right. Now the next one is our trunk handle. It retracts the handle when you open and close the trunk. So as you can see, I applied the power negative to one of the pins there, and it created pressure, so it pulled the handle out. When I let go, it creates vacuum to pull handle back in. So that does work. And two more things. Rear headrest, if it's a 420, you might have vacuum driven rear headrest releases, so they drop down. If it's S500 or 600, then at this port you're going to have it's not going to give you this option, because S500, S600s, they have electrical driven rear headrests. They go up and down. This one just can, if it's S420, S320, they can only go down. And what else we have? On the same port though, we have also a trunk release. So first what happens is it unlocks it, which is this port. See, when it's unlocked, the trunk, okay, then it basically feeds pressure to this very port, not vacuum but pressure now, and it diverts it to the trunk popper, so the trunk unlocks. So anyway, this is basically a working piece. It is good to go and ready to be picked up. Alright, this is all. This is a quick video, but it gives you an idea what's happening here, so we're all good to go. Okay, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.